morning. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 4. How are you today, beta? Today we are going to start the third semester first chapter, and the name of the chapter is Lazy Bones Jones. Now, beta, as you can see, the board is full of different pictures because this chapter seems to be very interesting, and when I start explaining it to you, you will be coming curious about knowing what will happen later on. So the characters involved in this chapters I have drawn. But before giving you further explanation, I would like to tell you that this chapter lies at page number 144 of your Oxford Reading Circle book. Now let's get started. Characters involved in the chapter are Jason Jones, the name of a boy who is shortly known as J.J. Jones or Lazy Bones Jones. The person who is standing and the man who is standing, he is Mr. Dugong, the teacher of grade 4. Now, what will happen that Jason Jones was the laziest boy of grade 4. As you are students of grade 4, so obviously there is some specific or a particular class teacher of yours as well. Similarly, here in this chapter, he is Mr. Dugon. He was the class teacher of grade 4 and he was very much famous among his students or pupils. Why? Because he was such a generous, polite and a cooperative teacher that he always ready to help out his students in any sort of work. So, Jason Jones was among one of his students, but one of his quality of Jason John was that he was very lazy. बहुत सुस्त और काहिल student था वो, ठीक है? So most of the class called him Lazy Bones Jones, Lazy Bones Jones. Why? Because whenever their teacher they given them any task that yes class just clean up your things, clean your desk and just put up all these, throw the rubbish on in the dustbin. Lazy Bone Jones always ready to give lame excuses, and he was not at all ready to do any task given by his teacher, and started acting something that, oh teacher, I am having pain in my stomach, or I didn't listen to you, or these kind of lame excuses he was just giving to his teacher. Now one day what happened beta, that the teacher Mr. Jogon was taking the class, and while taking the class he just make an important announcement. He said that our school is just planning to go to take you all to some summer camp. As you can see, these are the camps, okay, and they will spend the night over there as well. And it is a picture of a school bus which will be hired for taking the students to the resort, and the name of this one is John Ford Nature Reserve. I have mentioned it in the bold letters, ठीक है, caption पे लगा हुआ है. So the school bus is there. Mr. Dugan said के who is interested to go on this summer vacation trip. So everyone started saying कि yes, we are ready to go for this trip. Mr. Dugan then just informing them about their plans that beta, you have to bring some amount from your homes, from your parents, so we can collect it and we can do the several work out of that money. We will hire a school bus and then we can go. You have to take this. So students have different questions for their teacher. They're asking teacher when will we go and where do we stay, at what time we shall leave. So these are the questions students are curiously and impatiently they want to know. मुख्तलिफ सवाल करने शुरू कर दिए. So Mr. Dugan just informed them that we will leave day after tomorrow. So everybody, the whole class of 4 was ready to go happily. So on that day, when they all are going for the summer camping, The students have reached the school with full of happiness and excitement and thrill, and they have all their necessary stuff with them. All the things which their teacher asked them to bring, they have bring it in their bags as well. When they reach there, it's almost at the time of night. जब वो वहाँ पहुँचे तो तकरीबन क्या है, काफ़ी घंटे गुजर चुके थे और रात हो चुकी थी. So the teacher said कि we have to make the camping, ठीक है, put the camps also, and then made a fire. So for making the fire, you have to divide yourself into groups and go to the forest or the jungle nearby, and not a very thick forest but just a garden, and collect the dry wood so we can set a fire and just set ourselves around that fire and make the tea and this thing as well. So Lazy Bones Jones, by hearing such a list of work from his teacher, he said, क्या मैं भी काम करूँगा? तो उनके टीचर ने कहा, yes, it is a teamwork and we are all here away from our homes and we will do the work together. उनके टीचर कहते हैं कि हमें इकट्ठे काम करना है and obviously आप भी ज़रूर काम करेंगे. So Mr. Dugan made his students divided into 4 groups and sent them to collect the dry wood for making the fire. And when all the students they go and started collecting, but Lazy Jones, just because of his laziness, he thought that I become so much exhausted and tired after a long journey, so why shouldn't I take a small nap? क्यों ना मैं थोड़ी सी नींद ले लूँ, और I just make myself comfortable for a while and then after it I will collect the wood and return back with my fellows. So what he did, he just sat under a tree, beneath the tree, and over the tree he very soon go into a sleep. वो बहुत जल्द के गहरी नींद में चला गया, into a deep sleep. What did happen when all the students, they very actively and very in a short span of time they collected and the dry wood and made their task complete, and they returned back to Mr. Dugan and told him that we have done the work given by you and now we are here and we shall make the fire begin. So Mr. Dugan, just an expression of weariness came on over his face. थोड़ा परेशान हो गए, and he said कि wait a while, wait a minute, is there anyone missing among you all? The student said, no teacher, we are all here. But when Mr. Dugan tally the names with his list of the students, क्योंकि क्या होता है, students की list होती है ना जो teacher के पास मौजूद होती है. So when he started telling the names, very soon he came to realize, he came to know that Lazy Jones was the one who was missing and he is not here. वो मौजूद नहीं था. They all become very worried and rushed towards here and there, wandering here and there, and said, oh my God, where is Jason Jones? We have to find her as we are away from our homes and it is our responsibility. आपको मालूम है कि टीचर के ऊपर या स्कूल पे भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि किसी फील्ड ट्रिप पे लेकर जाएं या किसी भी ट्रिप को ऑर्गेनाइज करें, तो दे शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. तो अब क्या है कि स्टूडेंट मिसिंग था, दैट इज अ टाइम ऑफ हाई टाइम ऑफ वरीनेस. ओके, ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक फिक्र का लम्हा था. So he asked them to go and started shouting his name with loud voices. Maybe he was slept somewhere and by hearing your shouting and screaming, maybe he heard his name and returned back with you. तो मिस्टर डुगॉन ने स्टूडेंट्स को वापस भेजा जंगल की तरफ. किस लिए भेजा? इन सर्च ऑफ जैसन जॉन्स बिकॉज ही वॉज मिसिंग. जब सारे स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ गए तो they will started shouting and their idea was right that Jason John was sleeping under the tree. Okay, here I will show you the picture. Through the picture that Jason John was sleeping. Yes. At page number 1:50. He was in a deep sleep. Okay, students, have you seen? Now, what did happen? That by hearing his name in a louder voice, he just got awake and said, and feel obviously he felt embarrassment. उसको शर्मिंदगी का एहसास हुआ, and he returned to his camp again towards his teacher and said that I got asleep. And then the whole students, they smiled over him, and he was ashamed on himself. Why? Because it is his carelessness, उसकी लापरवाही थी ये, इसके लिए वो शर्मिंदा हुआ और अफसोस हुआ उसको. लेकिन क्या है, their teacher Mr. Dugon, he didn't say a word, but rather than he advised him that you should be careful next time and don't show such carelessness, okay? Because we are out from our homes and away from the schools, so we have here to enjoy ourselves. तो बेटा इसमें क्या एक हमें बात क्या है समझ में आती है कि we have to listen to our teachers. We should listen to his or her instructions very well and just be active and attentive, okay, throughout our lives, and make a habit of being active, okay. अपनी एक आदत बना लें कि हमें एक्टिव रहना है, अटेंटिव रहना है in order to perform our daily working. So through this interesting story, the message is delivered, and I hope you all enjoyed very well, understood it. If you have any query, you can ask me later on. Okay? Thank you for listening to me. Allah Hafiz, class 4.